Hi, I'm Chris. I'm here at Jayco HQ and I'm here to run you through the features of your Jayco RV. Let's go have a look. Many of us love the great outdoors, but whilst we're on the road, we still need to remain connected with family and friends. Now, your Jayco Silverline is fitted with a Wi-Fi system mounted to the roof. Within this Wi-Fi system, we can add a SIM card so that you can use it as a normal Wi-Fi router, or you can use it as an extender. So if you're at a caravan park and you're down the back of the park, you can connect into the office Wi-Fi. To turn on your Wi-Fi, literally open the overhead cupboard, turn on the Wi-Fi switch. Now, when turning on this Wi-Fi switch, please bear in mind you need to wait a couple of minutes for that Wi-Fi to engage on the roof. The easiest way to connect to your Wi-Fi when you're at a caravan park, firstly, go to your settings, go to Wi-Fi. Here it's automatically selected Silverline, so it's connected to the van. Jump out of that and go to the Winegard Connect app. Now here it's automatically connected to the van itself. What we need to do first is select our source. As you see down the bottom here, there's no internet connection currently. So if we select Wi-Fi, hit done, hit accept, and then continue. So give it a few moments. So that's now found the Wi-Fi source. Now in that drop-down menu, if I had a SIM card in it, it would say 4G and I could select that as well. So now it's connected, I can scan for Wi-Fi networks in the area. This is about a 4-kilometer radius. So it's come up with a list of available networks that the van has found. I'm going to connect to the top one, password, and then accept. Our van is now connected to Wi-Fi, and that's how you're able to stay connected in your premium Jayco RV. Thanks for tuning in, and for more tips and guides, please visit jayco.com.au, and we'll see you next time.